Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the North-South Highway. This is a highway that takes you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now this highway has done so well that they plan to expand it. And it's actually going to be expanded in two directions. Now this highway is the most expensive road ever built in Jamaica. It's actually the most expensive capital expenditure project, in Jamaica. It cost 1.2 billion US dollars to build. It's also the most expensive capital expenditure project in the Caribbean. But this highway is a game changer. Have you ever heard the term build it and they will come? Well, this highway has opened up the north coast of Jamaica. The fastest growing area in Jamaica tracks off. Second fastest growing, third fastest growing, all in St. Anne. You have Miami Bay and Runaway Bay, all in St. Anne because of this highway. It's a game changer. Now, the government plans to expand this highway. Currently, the highway goes from Kingston to Miami Bay, so they plan two massive expansions from Miami Bay. The first will be from Miami Bay to Discovery Bay, and the second will be from Miami Bay to the Ian Fleming International Airport. Both new sections will be toll roads. So eventually, although it hasn't been officially announced, eventually this highway will connect all the way to Montego Bay, where it will merge with the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. So the only section left would be from Discovery Bay to Montego Bay. And I should just point out that when these highways were originally conceived or thought out, planned basically, I guess a better word would be aligned. The alignment from Kingston to Montego Bay was to take place on the south coast. So the highway would go Kingston to Mandeville, which has been built, Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, and St. Elizabeth to Montego Bay. Those sections, the Mandeville to Montego Bay sections, have not been built yet. But this highway has done so well, and the North Coast has done so well that they now plan to connect Kingston to Montego Bay via this highway, via the North Coast. The South Coast Highway is still going to be built, but they have upgraded this one as well. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.